What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair small leaks in your exhaust system. I'm going to use this product. If you do not have this brand, you can use whatever brand you have, but it needs to be exhaust system sealer. So just now I'm going to show you how to find your leaks in the exhaust system. Okay, now with soapy water we are going to turn on the car, and then we are going to go under the car and spray the soapy water where there are joints and weldings, and if you see bubbles coming out, that means that there is a leak right there, and we need to put the sealer in there. So yes, I'm going to show you some weldings and joints that are in my exhaust system. So you can see these welds. I have my leak in here. I know this is not the best exhaust word, but that was how it was done. So yes, you can put the soapy water in the welds and in the joints right here, or down there in the muffler. And yes, I'm going to show you right now how the bubbles will come out when we put the soapy water. Okay, now before I start the car needs to be totally cold. And now I'm going to start the car, and I'm going to put the soapy water in here, and we are going to see the bubbles. So you also can put soapy water in here, and there you can see if you had any bubbles, and you can find any leaks. So now we need to let the car cool down, because the sealer we cannot put it when the exhaust is hot. So now we are going to let it cool, and then when we can touch the exhaust and it's cold, we know that it's ready for the sealer. And now I'm going to sand the area where I'm going to apply the sealer, and then with a wire brush like this I'm going to brush everything. Now I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol, but if you do not have isopropyl alcohol, you can just brake clean it to clean it. So now I'm going to use the directions of the product. As you can see, the first one we already did it. The second one I think is for cleaning, so I already cleaned with isopropyl alcohol or brake cleaner. Now I'm going to do the other ones. So this is how it looks, the sealer. You can see I put sealer everywhere in here. So now I'm going to wait the 30 minutes and then I'm going to see if it is dry, and then I will show you. So 30 minutes later, you can see it's a little bit hard, but I'm going to wait a little bit longer to turn on the engine 10 minutes. So after 30 minutes, now I'm going to turn on the engine 10 minutes and then I'm gonna shut it off, and then I will see if the sealer is good. So this is after 10 minutes with the engine on, and then I let it cool down. Now I can grab it. So yes, this is how it looks, the sealer. You can see it's very hard, like a rock. So just now I'm going to see if I have no more leaks. So just started raining, so sorry for the audio if you can hear me very well. So as you saw, there is no more leaks under the car in the exhaust pipes. So yes, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like, subscribe. I hope you like this video. So see you on the next video.